Meaning of frighten.
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 Frighten. Frighten means to cause someone to feel fear or to be scared. When someone is frightened, their body may produce physical responses such as an increased heart rate, sweating, and shaking. Frightening experiences can cause trauma and have lasting impacts on individuals. In some cases, fear can be a necessary response to protect ourselves from danger. However, when fear becomes excessive or irrational, it can interfere with daily life. It's important to address sources of fear and seek support when necessary to maintain mental well-being.